So, good morning, all from India. I'm Tejswini from India. I'm working with the Vigyan Ashram. I work with kids at our do-it-yourself lab, where we where we discover various things with kids. So, today's session is also like that. So, I would like to present my screen. So, um, Here's my lab. I work with children. We perform science, mathematics, arts, and craft, engineering activities with the students. Um, my today's session is to how to design 3D shapes of our choice and how to convert it into a 2D model. In today's session, I am going to make a lantern, which I am going to design in Tinkercad, and then we can fold it with two methods by using Papercura and with Blender also. So let's get started. So first of all, for this session, I have uh, I have decided to make a lantern of hexagonal shape, some bottle-like shape. So I have designed it in Tinkercad. So for that, I have choose hexagon with the pyramid and have give the dimension. You can choose any dimension you want as per your choice and any shape as per your choice also. So just okay. So quickly, I want to explain some important tools in Tinkercad, like to align two shapes at the center or at the left hand corner or at the any corner. We have to choose two object and align it like this. So I want this pyramid at the top of hexagon. So I have choose this align option and have then modified the dimensions as per the size. So my first shape is ready. Then I have grouped it like this. And I want a similar shape with smaller version. So I just have modified the dimension. I have little bit smaller it down like this. I mean, I have made the changes in design as per my requirement. You can make as you want. Like this. You can move your platform in work environment and take care like this to see your object. For this session, to unfold the object, we need both files, STL and OBJ also. So I have downloaded both files, STL and OBJ. So this is my OBJ file. I have a 3D viewer, so you can see your object in 3D viewer like this. So next is how to unfold the object in Pepakura. Why I have choose Pepakura? Pepakura is very versatile tool, and you can have many option to customize your 2D shapes in it. So that's why I have chosen this. So to unfold the object, first of all, I will explain how you can um, the environment of Pepakura. So in this environment, see, you can open your file from here, export from here. All this option you will get from file. From setting, you can change the page size also as per your want. For this particular design, I have chosen A3 size and landscape. Okay, you can also choose the page size, customize page size. So you can change the width, height of your page. So simply just open your OBJ file. Just we have downloaded now. It will ask for fifth questions, whether you want to flip your object or specify the color or height width you want to change it. It can be done here. Okay. So here you will get two environment. On the left hand side, you will see your 3D object, and on the right hand side, whatever changes you will made in 2D to make it to convert it in 2D, you can see on the right hand side. Okay. So you also can turn on and turn off the light in 3D environment. You can see the dimensions. There are many options here. So it is very clear and visible tool to make changes. Then just click on unfold. You can see on right hand side, the object is get unfolded like this. But here you can see the page are A3, but the object is bigger than that. So that's why we have to break this object into two parts. So how we can do it? So first of all, we can rotate it around the page. Then just we have to choose. So you can rotate it like this. You can fit your object at the specific corner as per your requirement. Then just use the option join disjoin, and uh, it is your choice. It is up to you from where you want to cut your object or your sheet. Okay. So I have break this 2D shape into two or four part. You might be seeing after. Okay. So you can rotate and adjust your object like this in the environment. Then here you can see small uh, flaps are on the edges of this object. Here you can fold, these are provided to fold your object, and so that whenever you are going to stick these parts, it will help to glue properly. That's why these flaps are given, this one. So by default, it is 5 mm in size. If you want to change the size or increase the size of this flap, there is also a option. Okay, so how you can change it? So set edge, edit flaps. Just you have to click it. Then shape. Then the height is 5 mm. You can choose 7 mm and just click to all. It will change your flap size. Okay. For me, 6 is okay. Excuse me. Then also, if you want to edit your 2D file with some attractive name, so you can add your name or images also. So how you can do it? Just click on the text tool and write your text here. For example, Happy New Year. Change the font size. Then you can also choose the color and just click OK. So you can see and you can arrange your name over the shape. You can also show the page numbers. Then show age ID. Why it is important? Whenever we take a printout of it and student cut it, we observe that many times they forgot which part to join where. So that's why we prefer to give age IDs like this. They're very small here, like this. Okay, so it will show which part is going to be connected where. So next, yeah, that's what I want to say. Um, Next, if you want to add some image in your model, you can also add it like this. Just click on the image, select your image. So for example, I'm choosing this Christmas tree and just open it. Okay. So just resize it and fit it where you want. Okay. So like this, you can also set your image in your design. Okay. Then just click on print and you can set the print settings also here. Okay. So you can also save the file, DXF files also. Then also if you want to save it in SVG or PNG, you can save it in that format also. And you also save the file in PDF format. So you have many options to save your file. Okay. And if in case you want to reopen your design and do some modification, so you also can save it in Pepakura design file also. So there are many options. You can reopen it also. So like this is your PNG file. And this is a PDF one. Now the same thing can be done with Blender also. But in Blender, there are limited options to edit your 2D file. So we can see that also. So just open your Blender. Then first you have to delete this box. Then open your STL file. The Blender need STL file to unfold here. Okay. Then you just have to select it and go to File. First, you have to set the export parameters before you unfold the object paper fold. Then choose your destination where you want to save it. and in which format and which page size. You have to select it before exporting, and then just click on export paper model. Okay, just write your name of file and export. That's it. Your PDF gets saved. By default, it gives the age or page IDs. Then the next step, after creating your 3D design, then into 2D design, you have to cut in laser CAD. Before that, I have set some laser cutting parameters in CAM software. So here, just one highlight from this recording is that I have given hole parameter. Uh, Very small hole marking is provided on the edges where we have to fold it. Okay, so whenever the complete file is we get the cut file out, then this hole shows us where we have to fold and where we have to paste another shape. Okay, so this is a whole parameter. Then cutting parameter, you all know. You can set the parameters of power and speed of cutting as per your laser. Then just save your file and download for cutting. Okay, so the last step is cutting. So before cutting, um, this kind of sheet maybe um, get away, get out of your bed. So the it's better to secure your sheet properly with paper tape on the edges like this. I've cut a sample to test my speed and power first. Then this is your sheet is ready. Then just start laser cutting. This is a laser cut. Final object. Now it's time to fold your 2D sheet. So for that, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. When you provide the parameters of hole on your 2D shape, it shows a little bit line over the edge where you can fold it. Okay, so just fold it. You can use a simple ruler to fold your 2D sheet like this. So I have folded completely over the edges. Then here I have to join two different shapes. So I have first applied the glue on edges and then stick the edges over one another like this. So I have prepared two different shapes first and then combine that shapes. So this is easy practice for me and I have practiced it with my students also. If you need, if you think it is much difficult to handle by you as alone. You can take another's help also. This is the top part. Yes, the lantern is ready. Lantern is very important for our Diwali festival at India. So, but this lantern I have designed as my table lamp to read books. So, I just quickly show. Any questions?
Thank you. This was really nice. How much is a license of Pepakura?
It is around 5,000 Indian rupees. But yeah, but you can have multiple use of it. You can use it for Pepakura. We recently have designed one lesson plan for students where we design various trigonometric shape and convert it to find surface area of that trigonometric shape. So there are multiple use of this. So that's a resource. Okay. Yeah, sure. I will share it. Any other questions?
Did you see the one question about recommendations for resources to learn Blender?
I will share the YouTube videos.
Perfect.
But yeah,
And
just a
then
minute.
we just had another question that asked, can you use the free version with basic features and tools within?
Mhm. Pepakura, right.
Yes.
So there are basic tools also available in Pepakura. You can edit the flags as you can see at the session. But you can save only PDF format of your 2D design. Okay, so you cannot you cannot reopen your design, and that's it. And you can also save the file in A3 page. You cannot change the page size in free tool. So that's the thing.
So we still have some time left. Does anybody else have any other questions, or is there anything else you might like to see again, maybe?
How complex of shapes can you actually do there? I know coming from Tinkercad, you used fairly nice geometric shapes, but have you done some that are maybe harder?
Um, Tinkercad is a basic software, so it is good to teach this software to students at the basic level. So literally, if you ask me, I have tried some basic tools to design in Tinkercad. For hardship, I didn't use it. For hardship, I prefer Fusion 360 like this.
How did Peppercura do on your Fusion file?
I haven't tried
Oh,
right now,
okay.
but yeah, but you can do one thing. If you have STL file that can be opened in Pepakura. So if you export STL file from Fusion 360, you can open it in Pepakura.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your presentation. This was really nice. I love Diwali and the celebration of light, and it's just so I love when our making practices connect to our cultural practices. It's really beautiful. A question about the kind of maker space that you're working in. Is it in a formal school setting? Is it out of school? How many, like, what age groups do you work with?
So I'm working with age group starting from third grade students and onwards. Students age group are not a matter for us at Do It Yourself Lab. Actually, we welcome senior citizens from our societies also. They also can come and make various things. And it is not a formal education a pattern we follow. Um, you can say that out of 100% of complete education package, we take the help of 20% theory and other is most ofly we hands-on and practically do the things with students. So at our place, we welcome the students from society, and mostly we also work with the students at municipal or government schools uh, who didn't get the support or who didn't get the access of this digital tools. So we mostly work for them.